Feeling swamped by health goals? What if 10 minutes a day could cut your stress by 62%? Let's win big this World Health Day. Hey everyone! World Health Day is coming up on April 7th, and here's the deal. You don't need a total life overhaul to feel amazing. Small steps add up to massive wins. Science says so, and I've got proof. Let's break it down with 3 tiny habits you can start today. Step number 1, walk it out. Just 10 minutes of brisk walking daily boosts your mood and slashes stress hormones. Research calls it a natural chill pill. Do it while your coffee brews or during a quick break. Step number 2, swap the sweet. Ditch one sugary drink for water or herbal tea each day. Cutting 100 calories of sugar can lower your heart risk by 20%, studies show. Add a lemon slice, small move, big vibes. Step number 3, breathe easy. Spend 5 minutes breathing slow and deep. It drops blood pressure and calms your mind. Think of it as a brain vacation. Perfect for that afternoon slump. Consistency's the secret sauce here. Stack these with tools like Eradeh app for daily wellness challenges that fit your groove. Track your wins and watch them grow. We're talking 20 minutes a day, less than your social media scroll. Whether you're juggling work, kids, or just life, these micro steps build a healthier you, one day at a time. World Health Day is our kickoff. Let's make it a marathon of small victories. What's your first small step? Share it below and let's inspire each other. Follow for more health hacks to keep the wins coming.